many brothers and sisters, but each brother has only half.
Come on, Arya and Shri.
What was
Half as many brothers as sisters.
I don't
Only
get
the
the
math.
question.
Only math lovers can solve this question.
I'm not a math
lovers.
lover.
Math.
Me
At
too.
all.
I really don't like math. Maybe my dad can
I
solve it.
learned
like
math.
math.
from Beckett. Is it fine
like
or
math.
Nobody
Beckett?
likes math.
If I
I
do it?
like math.
Then
I
try
think
to
it's
answer
one.
this.
Boring. Math
It
is
is
I
one.
think it's one.
No, no.
Okay, do you all give up? Do you all give up?
No,
Yeah,
20.
I
I don't.
No,
I
no,
don't.
no, no.
I don't. I don't.
I think it's
Come,
one.
Balaji, sir.
12.
Yeah, it
12.
should be
12
one.
brothers.
How can it be one brother, one sister?
Yeah,
no.
sir.
12,
A girl.
I think 12.
One girl has many.
Only
Oh,
half
five,
of my
five,
sisters
five,
don't.
five.
Oh, it's not. I can't call it close, but it's quite close. It's like
Six.
Mine are
Fourth.
five.
Chalo,
Fourth.
go on numbers only.
10.
Three.
okay,
Ten.
10. Okay,
Okay,
10.
come on, telling numbers then.
Tell final
Three.
answer.
Six.
Fourth.
Tell all the
Six,
numbers.
six, 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 six.
Okay, I'm showing the answer now. You all are giving
Okay.
Okay, fine.
now. Wait.
Four
Four
sisters and
Four
three
sisters,
brothers.
three
I
brothers.
thought fourth.
Three
Brothers.
brothers.
No, but
You
still
didn't tell
you
the complete answer.
Yeah.
Four
Question.
sisters and three brothers.
What
Okay, what
as soon
disappears?
as you say its name?
As soon as state name.
As soon as
Easiest.
possible.
This is the easiest question in this riddle almost.
Wait.
Okay,
Not tricky.
let me think. Please don't tell the answer so quick.
Wind?
Okay.
How will it disappear?
Silence.
Silence.
Wow. The good, Ashi.
That's
Wow.
good.
How can the number 4 be half to 5?
What?
3 and a
Half
half.
of 5.
That's not
3 and a
possible.
half.
5.
Okay.
4 and a half.
It's some of the fractions, I think.
Oh.
4.5.
4.5. No.
4
No.
by 5 or 5 by 4.
No, you can't divide.
4.5.
Think out of the box. Don't think maths.
Out of
Okay,
the
you have to
box.
think maths only, a bit maths, but not all maths only.
It is the math for me. Okay, I'll just.
Don't tell
Okay,
0.44444 something. Don't tell.
4.5.
Mind-boggling.
4.5.
Do you all give up?
No.
Yep, I give up. I give
4
up.
and 5.
I give up.
No, I'm not
No,
giving up.
no,
I'm
no.
not
I'm
giving
not
It's
up.
on your videos.
They're
Yes, it's on
giving
your
up.
videos. I'm getting
No,
doubt that you are
no,
doing
I'm not
Google.
giving up.
No, I'm not.
I'm not
Okay.
googling it.
What's the answer?
Okay. The answer is Roman numerals.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Roman numerals, we didn't
I
even
don't
think
get
of that.
this. I don't get this at all.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
5.
Very
Hey, 5
bad
has
joke.
got. What's the spelling of
Very good
5?
joke.
Very
FIVE,
bad
right?
joke, Chetan.
Please do
Wait,
this
nah.
joke when you come here. Like every time you do.
Hey, hello. Wait, let's explain to Sri. Sri, you know Roman numbers, Sri?
Yeah. I
Yeah,
know.
1, 2,
Oi.
3, 4. Yeah, so 4, if you look at the word 5, FIVE, IV is what? 4, right?
4 and
Okay, okay.
B.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
Okay,
4.
let's go to the next one.
Next
Okay,
one.
I have
I have keys, but no
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Keyholder.
Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Please,
I
dear.
think it's
Keyboard.
a. Oh no.
Next
Yes.
one.
Keyboard.
Can't-
Okay.
I
Now we
hope
liked
you
it.
liked it. Of course.
Easy things.
Those are
Okay,
easy.
who's going next?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Okay, Naira, go ahead.
So can I go after Harshit?
Yes, after Naira, Harshit, after Harshit, Vidya.
Me.
Actually, at the
Well,
end,
and
can I
then
do
you-
an app review?
Sorry,
At the end, can I do an app review?
app review.
At
Okay,
the
we'll do.
end, we have to discuss what day.
Hey,
Okay.
Naira
You
has
did
got an,
Minecraft last time. You did Minecraft last time. Again.
That's okay. Chaitanya, wait now. Chaitanya, wait. Guys,
Okay.
Naira has got an idea. She's going to propose it after the song. So let's listen to the idea and then give our thoughts. Okay, not right now. Naira, go ahead with your song now.
So
Sir,
Harshita
I'm
said.
doing the
Yeah, I'm
topic
gonna
of
stop it.
income.
Okay. Go, Naira.
Sir, I'm not singing a song. I just That is for the last.
What? You don't want to sing a song?
Did a what?
Sir, my topic is not the song. My
Okay.
topic is sometime.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, sometime. That's good. Really good review.
Very good review. Thank you. You are my sister. So
I didn't hear you well. What's that?
It's sometime.
Oh, okay,
it's
okay.
sometime.
Awesome.
I love this
that
some guy. He's very funny,
Yeah,
Wait.
yeah, he's very funny.
but educational.
Okay, so what are you showing us, Naira?
I'm going to tell about Amsam.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Sometime is a channel of learning. I watch it all the time when I open the TV. It's so professional channel that I never stop. You must watch it one time.
I watch it every day.
Yeah, it's like they introduce us to maths and all those through stories, like
There's almost no
a boy
maths in
spilled
this
nail
channel.
polish and
Okay,
that.
I'll just tell you some jokes about it.
Okay,
What if
go ahead.
you eat only fruit? No problem. You eat all the fruits, I will eat all the burgers.
Okay.
That is really funny.
He's a big fan of
What
chocolates
if
and
we
burgers.
eat only fruit? No problem. You eat all the fruits, I'll eat all the burgers.
Okay.
The voice modulation so nice.
Mimicry.
What if there are no schools? Don't worry. I'll start by some
Some
online classes.
Even you do.
So,
Now this, I'm a mimicry.
Yeah.
Salman.
hello.
Yeah, Vidya.
So there's another YouTube channel. I
Dr.
think
Binox?
it's same Om Sam, but it's not like these cartoons. They
Yeah,
they
it's
use
not
these
like
animations
overall.
and they
One
introduce
learning
us to math, science and everything.
What's that?
It's the same. So it's Om Sam's channel. It's a YouTube channel and they introduce us. They first tell us short story to us, and it's like this with animation characters. They introduce us to maths, like maths.
So that's interesting.
Like if a race is going on, they add by merging two cars.
Right.
Because when they give my online assignments and they always send these videos so we could see. It's really helpful.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you just ping the website on the chat? We can actually see
So
it.
can I put it in the WhatsApp after the class?
That's fine. No problem. Good. Okay, Naira, you have anything else?
No, sir, some jokes I have.
Go ahead. Go ahead with the jokes. We're waiting for them.
What if there are no shampoos? Don't worry, my hair are so silky. I don't need shampoos.
Okay. Funny.
What if there are no roads? Don't worry. Sam can fly. We don't need any road. Okay.
That's it?
Okay. I'll just sing a song and end my presentation.
Okay, please. Sri, how about you singing a song?
Stop share and put the sound on.
Okay.
Sir, but I need a moment because the battery is very low.
We'll give you.
So then shall we mute ourselves?
Most likely.
Okay, never mind. I'll start the song.
Naira, you're on mute.
Yeah. का बढ़िया है वीडियो देखते हैं Can you hear the song?
Yup.
Kind of.
Yes, Vidya.
सबसे पहले है प्यार मैं और तुम दोनों का एक है उसके बाद आई आशाएं तुम हो मैं हूँ
I can't understand anything.
दोनों सोचे कि तुम कौन हो और मैं कौन हूँ
What happened?
Then I finished the song.
Great.
Oh,
All right.
Is it a
Perfect.
poem?
amazing, nice.
No, it's a short song.
Oh,
Sure.
a small song.
Okay. Good,
Related.
Naira. Good. Let's go with Harshit. You're there.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Harshit, what are you gonna take?
I'm doing a presentation on more things you can do in Minecraft. Okay.
Ooh.
So
Okay.
last episode, last session we covered about Minecraft.
And the dragon.
So now more things you have to do in Minecraft, or you can do if you don't have Minecraft. Okay. There are many more things than just going, loading a world, maybe playing something. There are much more things. We learned about Minecraft basics. Basics. You can do redstone, which is mind-boggling, like riddles, and is very interesting. If you like, it's like electricity in Minecraft. So you can take on bosses like Ender Dragon and Wither, which I will be showing you. You can explore different biomes, like environmental conditions in our language. So this game has achievements and different dimensions. You're right, dimensions. There's even a void. And if you want an intense experience, you can take hardcore, in which if you die once, you're dead. You're done for good. So, now starting off with the Wither. Now this boss needs to be spawned using soul sand and Wither skeleton skulls. Don't worry, I'll be showing all the bosses. So this boss can destroy anything except bedrock. Very hard. If you don't have good enchanted armor and OP gear, and you will have to go to the nether in order to spawn him in survival. Okay. If you're a beginner, do not spawn him because he's gonna kill you. He's gonna kill, like, if you put a spat of butter on a heated pan, the butter melts like you will be the butter if you spawn this guy and if you're a beginner. Now the Ender Dragon. Now this guy is not that hard, but still hard nonetheless. Now this guy is found in the end dimension, and I would recommend first tackling the Wither and then tackling the Ender Dragon, because you'll have an idea. He's the toughest boss in the game because there are things called as end crystals, which I will show you. After you defeat him, you get to go to the end city where you get the Elytra to fly. Elytra something. To fly in survival, which you can't do. You can fly only in creative and spectator. Now it is better to tackle this boss with enchanted diamond or netherite gear, which includes all weapons and armor except the bow. Okay.
Do you
So
need a
now-
shield?
No, you don't. Shields are waste against the bosses. Maybe against normal mobs, but not
Harshit,
against. Yeah.
are you gonna tackle both of them now, or only the Ender Dragon or the Wither?
I'm just gonna show them. I'm not gonna, entirely
Can you
tackle.
fight with the Ender Dragon again? Because you already defeated him.
I tackled him 4 times in survival.
Is it hard to tackle him, or is it time
Yeah,
taking
like
that?
first 2 times, Ender Dragon, he's easy. But the 3rd and 4th time, it gets hard. He throws his dragon breath at you, which is stinky. So you take damage by that. So you need to also have good food. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new one. New word. I'm going to go for creative because,
We can't see your game thing.
Yeah, we
Hey,
can only see your presentation.
Oh, wait.
Ender Dragon.
Okay, can you see it?
Why can't you spawn? Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, we can.
Yeah.
New world.
Okay. So now I'm going to create this. So in this, I'm going to show you both the Wither and the Ender Dragon.
But what is this rajamech2@rediffmail.com? Rajamech.
That's my
Arey.
dad's email.
Chaitanya, let him do it now. Why are you disturbing in the middle?
Oh yeah, and by the way, this game you have to pay for it to download, but you can also download it use with no money. This is hacking, okay?
No, you just have to install one thing. That's it.
Yeah. Once you install it, then you're good to go. And it doesn't take up that much space also, so it's all right. Okay. Now, so let me grab.
Are Minecraft fun?
Yeah.
Soul Sand. Now Wither. I don't need a spawn.
What do you
Now
do in the game?
what you need to do in order to spawn it is okay.
What is Fortnite?
That's the.
Yeah, what is
Fortnite
Fortnite?
is a shooter
I used to
game
play
similar
Fortnite.
to Free Fire, but
Good. Okay.
I don't know, but everyone are saying that Fortnite is cancer in the
Well,
gaming YouTube
you guys
channels.
know PUBG Mobile? It's similar
Yep.
to Fortnite.
Don't
Yep,
play
I
that.
know
That's
that.
very bad.
I'm not a fan of
that's why I
games
don't
that
play
much.
Fortnite, even though I can
Well,
play.
I don't play games at all.
I'm really into animals.
I don't play video games at all.
That's cool. Shri.
Now see, this is how.
Hey, you don't have any weapons. How can you spawn him? Oh man, now die.
Okay, now this is where really annoying. So please bear with me. See, you get back here.
Okay, can you please go to a high point so we can see him better?
No,
Okay,
you
fine.
can see him there only. This guy is too dangerous. He can even destroy one whole Minecraft.
No,
Now, why did you spawn him? Might destroy the Minecraft.
that's not gonna happen. Now look, watch this.
That's a grass.
Oh my
What is
God.
this?
I'm gonna get Smite 5 on my sword.
Smite 5 and Sharpness 5.
Smite 5 is the best thing you can use against the Wither. So if a Wither ever raids you, just get Smite 5. Okay.
Good pa. Okay.
Right. Smite 5. Boom. Now where's this guy? No, where's this bad mom jam?
Are you gonna kill him now?
Yep.
Of course you have. Oh, he's there.
Hello.
Oh
Wait.
my gosh.
I'm just gonna wait.
It looks real
Since I'm
fun.
gonna music and sounds. Music off. Nope. Okay, that's way better. Oi!
Is it
So this guy
laggy
can
there?
fly.
Can fly?
Yep, he can fly.
Every
No.
boss can fly.
Can you fly?
I can fly.
He's on creative. He
What
can
do
fly.
Okay, you're killing him, right?
Yep.
And that's his power on top.
No,
No,
that's his
that's
healing
his
point.
health, HP.
Healing point. Healing point. Okay.
And where's this?
How much
Then
time
how
will it
does he
take you to
heal?
kill him?
If you have a good gear, then it won't take less than 5 minutes.
Don't have
Do
any
you
way
have
to
a good
heal
gear?
back.
Hey,
And that's how
is
you
he
kill the
dead?
nether.
Oh,
Yep, he's dead. For good. So now
got
I'm gonna
another
go
star.
for the Ender Dragon, okay?
Arya, Sarah is asking you to do a demo of Fortnite.
Fortnite? I don't have Fortnite actually.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to Arya.
Okay, maybe later. So to go to the end, you need these things called as end portal frames, which you normally don't get in survival. And you need these things, Eye of Ender. So let me just make an end portal right here. So you have to put them in a 3x3 shape like this. Hello. Hello, is everybody there?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're there. Yeah.
Yeah, we can
After,
hear you.
it's like after you kill the wither, do you have to do anything with the nether star, or you just have to?
I mean, like if you want to, you can craft a beacon, which will give you OP enchantment buffs, I should say. So yeah, really.
Don't stand out, stand
Wait,
inside,
what?
stand outside.
No,
Go stand at a high point so we can see him.
No, you can't see him. He didn't even do the portal yet.
yeah.
Yeah, after doing it.
Yeah. I'll also
Yeah,
try
I'm
to.
gonna just get a night vision potion because the end is pretty. This is why making end portals is very annoying. So annoying. Everything has to be facing the center, or else your portal won't work out. Right. Annoying.
Stand outside.
Okay.
Did you finish?
Wait.
Finish
Finish making it?
Ha. Not funny.
Hey, the grass is inside the portal. Will the portal still work?
Nothing will happen. Portals still work. Oh. Waha. How many times have I done this by now? Okay, last one.
Okay.
Oh, that one.
Wait. Put it.
He's correct.
I told you.
Okay, go stand at a high point, Harshit.
Okay. 3, 2.
Remove the grass, man.
Wait, I think these. Oh, I'm not ready to do this. I'm really not ready.
That's okay. Harshit, how much more time?
Yeah, like it won't take more than 2 minutes. I'll show them the Ender Dragon. Okay. I'll tell them what to do.
Oh, wait.
Then after.
You are doing it the wrong way. I know how to create it, but you're doing it the wrong way. Yeah, now it's correct. It should be like that. Remove that.
Okay. Now it should be straight. So if you're ever going to make an end portal,
Just be patient.
just be patient. You got that right. Yeah. That came out right.
Okay, 2
This
more.
must come out right. One more. Aha. See that you have to have a lot of patience in this game.
Easy to make.
Wait, what?
Easy to make if you see the tutorials properly.
Yep.
Because I saw the tutorials and it didn't take one try also. I did it easily.
Wait, am I doing something? Everything's facing the.
You're doing wrong. I know how to do it, but
Okay, fine. Then just take the remote control.
you gave me the remote control or what?
Guys, let's move on now. Harshit,
Yeah.
what's next?
Better to move on.
Yeah.
So can I go?
Wait. Anything else, Harshit?
Nope.
You're done? Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, at the
Yeah.
last, maybe after I figured out how to do it, I'm gonna show him the end portal.
All right, that's fine. Thank you, Ashit. Let's go with Vidya.
Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen.
Sure.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so today, just a second. I'm taking the topic Ayurvedic plants. Okay, so you can see my video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My video. Guess what plant it is
Tulsi.
by looking at the leaves.
Parijat.
Yeah, Akasha is correct.
Okay.
Akasha is correct. It's Parijata.
Wait,
Okay.
do you get Parijatas in Puttaparthi?
I have it at my house.
Yeah. Wait, we'll come to that, okay? Now I'm going to share screen again. Parijat. You can read this. Decoction. Here decoction is called Kasham. We'll come to it at the end. And one more thing. I'm going to ask 4 questions about Ayurveda in the middle of this presentation. Each one contains 10 points. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so after reading this, I'm going to explain about it. Please let me know if you have finished reading.
My grandmother and grandfather drink this all.
Yeah, these flowers Parijata Puvulu.
So I'm going to explain about them. Parijata is very medicinal, and decoction of the leaves can be taken when during winters to ensure protection from viruses, even coronavirus.
Oh.
What?
Even coronavirus, it can prevent coronavirus, taking the decoction of these leaves.
Wait, is this true? Because I don't want an unnecessary.
I guess it's true.
It is true.
It is true.
Okay.
I'm
trusting you.
Our ancient Ayurvedic acharyas have proved it.
Okay.
Okay, so it also works for skin infections, asthma also.
Asthma?
Yeah, asthma.
Wait,
Asthma or asthma?
something.
We don't speak in your accents either, so it might sound a bit different to you.
Yeah.
Is it asthma?
We don't know.
Yeah,
If I-
asthma is how we pronounce it, Sri. How do you pronounce it there?
Oh, we call it asthma and cough.
Asthma and cough. Yeah, I think the pronunciation is a bit different. Yeah.
Okay, so it also cures asthma and cough by taking 2 to 3 grams of leaf powder with a tablespoon of betel leaf juice.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, in Telugu, this is called Parijatam, and in
Okay.
Sanskrit, Parijat.
Okay.
Okay, so moving on. Ashwagandha. This is
Ashwagandha.
the name in English, Sanskrit and Telugu.
Telugu
So
Peneru.
it is the most important herbs. Peneru.
Okay.
Okay, so ashwagandha is one of the most important herbs in Ayurveda. It has been used over 3,000 years to relieve stress, increase
What?
energy levels, and improve concentration.
Okay, now
over
that's a
3,000 years.
3,000 years.
Yeah.
That was
Okay, so
I think
ashwagandha
it was
is
in the BCE. Somewhere in the BCE.
Yeah, somewhere that time, okay. Ashwagandha is Sanskrit for the smell of horse. So it refers
like
to both its
ashwam.
unique
Ashwam.
smell and ability to increase the strength.
Oh.
So there's Ayurveda, Baba Ramdev, he told that taking a decoction of ashwagandha will cure and prevent corona.
Oh.
You mean that Baba from
Patanjali.
Patanjali, the
Patanjali
Patanjali products.
Baba.
There's this picture, right? Yeah.
Oh, that way.
Okay, so moving on. So, their
Your
house,
voice
right?
is
Am I right?
breaking. Your voice is breaking.
I have
So-
Tulsi at my home.
Wow.
Can you hear me properly now?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, so
My mom
Tulsi
has
is-
Tulsi seeds and she grows Tulsi.
Okay, so Tulsi is called the queen of all herbs. It is used widely in Ayurvedic medicines, which helps in the
Yeah.
human body in a natural manner. So it can help you get rid of many health problems ranging from fever to kidney stones.
Oh.
Kidney stones.
Kidney stones, yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
Wait,
Okay,
I
so
don't think.
Tulsi, even if we have any cough, mainly our mothers mix Tulsi with some honey and give it to us,
We can
right?
even eat tulsi leaves,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
can eat Tulsi
my-
leaves. It is also
My dad
worshipped.
eats. Yeah.
I
Yeah,
have-
it's worshipped.
So there are
At my
many types of
It's very
Tulsi
good to have
leaves. Not only one type, there are many types like Krishna Tulsi.
Krishna Tulsi.
Yeah, there
We
are
have
many
Krishna
types.
Tulsi and Rama Tulsi together.
Yeah, Rama
My
Tulsi,
mom
Krishna
breeded.
Tulsi,
My
all
mom
those.
breeded Tulsi, Krishna Tulsi and Rama Tulsi together.
Okay.
Can you share us maybe a photograph later, Sri?
Yes, there's also I also have in
But-
my garden a tulsi. It is used
Well, I
in
can
sherbets.
show
We
it
put it in
right
sherbets.
now if you guys
Gives a
want
really
to.
sweet aroma.
Sherbets.
Hey, sure.
Yeah,
Yes.
it
Vidya,
gives a really.
excuse me, Vidya. Excuse me, Vidya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Sri has come for the first time, right? He wanted to show the Tulsi plant, Rama Tulsi and Krishna Tulsi together, I guess. Let's have a look and then you can continue from there.
One
Okay,
second,
sir.
okay?
Can I show it after my presentation?
I think so. All right, that's
It's in
fine.
my
Yeah,
front yard and I have two like Tulsi, so it's in my front yard and in my backyard. So
that's okay. I think maybe take a photo and share with us later on.
Yes, sir. I'll share it in the group.
Yeah, go
Okay, so
ahead.
next, a question for all of you. If nobody answers, it will go to sir. Sir, obviously, I think you know this, sir. Did you know how old is Ayurveda? How old is Ayurveda?
Pretty old.
10,000 10,000 years?
No.
Hey.
A million years.
No.
No. Million is too much.
Million is really too much. Even 10,000 is too much.
Oh,
Okay, 5,000.
5,000.
Yeah,
5,000.
5,000.
Yeah,
5,000 is
I got-
correct.
I got
More than-
I got
It's more than
5,000.
5,000 years ago.
More than. Oh my god.
More than
More than.
5,000. We don't know exactly.
Okay, estimated 5,000.
Estimated 5,000.
Hey
50
Chaitanya,
sorry,
I got
5,000.
5,000 first, okay?
Okay, okay.
No, I
It
got
goes to me.
I got
Okay,
Not
it goes
to
to you.
Okay, so
Yes.
Sridhar gets 10 points. Please keep the
Yes.
record of points.
Oh, but I also said.
Okay, you
Okay.
answered. Whoever answered. Name the founder of Ayurveda.
Oh, wait. I think I know this.
I'm just gonna say Baba Ramdev.
No.
No, it's not Baba Ramdev.
No, I heard his name.
Yeah, come on, you heard it. Akasha? Naira?
Patanjali.
Anyone?
He comes on TV, right?
Oh no, Naira.
Oh, some Prajapati, Daksha Prajapati, someone.
Yeah, do you all give up?
He's already dead.
Uh,
Yeah, he's already
yeah,
dead.
I don't know.
More than 5,000 years ago, he found Ayurveda. Okay, so everyone gives up?
Wait, no, not yet.
All right, come on.
Alton.
Anyone?
No, I don't know.
Dhanvantari, I guess.
Yeah, Dhanvantari.
From my
Dhanvantari?
Balvikas, from my
The-
I
Balvikas,
thought
I heard.
Dhanvantari was just fictional.
No, he
Vijay,
Ayurveda.
Oh, I heard this from my Balvikas teacher.
Dhanvantari is a god.
He's
He's
Dhanvantari
the
is a
avatar of
god. He's
Vishnu.
not dead. He's alive.
Dhanvantari is an avatar of Vishnu.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but in the Google they told that the Dhanvantari is the founder and the doctor of Ayurveda.
Oh.
He's the god of Vishnu. I mean, he's not the god of Vishnu, but
He's an
Avatar.
avatar.
yeah, he
Not
does.
the main avatar.
Okay.
There are only 10
Okay,
avatars.
let's
So
proceed.
next,
Next one.
name the world's first surgeon.
Oh, that that I don't know. He uses his wine and something. So it's
Sura.
Ursuta something. Wait a minute.
Yeah, you're close. You're close.
Sushruta. Sushruta.
Yes, sir.
Sushruta.
Sushruta.
Ah, at least I said that.
Uncle, you got 10 points.
I got 10. Yes.
No,
I always get the
I
lead.
at least guessed
Yes,
that.
Sushruta. Okay, so Sushruta, he also conducted the world's first plastic surgery.
Oh wow.
The social in I learned it in social.
Social. Okay,
I
next.
learned
Can you
that
guess
in
the number of Ayurvedic medicinal plants?
Oh wait, this is somewhere.
A lot.
No.
I would say 300 species.
What's that? What was that?
I think there are 300 species of them.
No,
Not
12
close. Not close.
12,000
No, see.
billion
10,000,
species are there in the world.
No, Naira.
10, 20? 10,000, 20,000.
Nope.
Oh, 1,200.
Is it in millions or?
No, it's uncountable. It's uncountable.
No, 1,200, I guess.
I'm gonna show you the answer. Okay.
It's
Around
5,000.
20,000.
Oh,
I said
wow.
20,000.
You said
Who
10,000. You
Did
said
I?
10,000.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
Somebody said 10,000, but not 20,000.
Okay, then it was me only. Okay.
Okay, around 20,000 species. So next, Bahupatra.
no 12,000 species.
Oh.
It is called Bhuyamla in Hindi and in Telugu Nela Usuri.
Oh.
Yes.
Maybe Amla.
Yeah.
Amla.
Amla.
Not amla. It's not plain amla. Wait, just a teaspoon of plant paste is taken 2 to 3 times a day, along with buttermilk for treating jaundice and other liver disorders.
What?
Oh.
Can it really be cured?
Yeah.
Jaundice can be cured.
So a decoction of this plant, along with the leaves of parijat, which we discussed in the first, it can be used for treating fever.
Oh.
With this Nela Usuri with parijat.
Oh. Does it cure or does it treat?
I don't know for sure, but it worked for me.
Okay.
Okay, so a teaspoon of the juice of this plant can be taken for fatty liver, weak digestion, vomiting, etc.
Vomiting. Okay.
Yeah, so related to stomach and liver. So the paste of the plant mixed with turmeric is used for these skin diseases. A few skin
Psoriasis
diseases.
and
Psoriasis and eczema.
I'm so lucky.
Why?
because he,
My colony has all these plants.
oh.
All one
Really,
of them.
but most of the plants look same as the Bhuyamla.
Yeah.
Don't just go pluck some plant and put a decoction and drink it. It may be poisonous.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm not silly enough to do that.
Okay, so
I know
many
my plant.
people think this is a useless way
Guys,
and
do
throw it
you know
away.
Ajwain?
Yeah,
Ajwain.
Ajwain will come to it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah,
many
Ajwain.
people think that this is a useless weed and throw it away. It has many medicinal properties.
But people use it or they don't use it?
Yeah, many people think that it is a useless weed, but it has many
But
medicinal
people use it, right?
Yeah, people should use it, but many people don't use it. It's like this. You have.
We have
Okay.
we have Ajwain and we have Tulsi. That's helpful. And we also
I have
grow
Tulsi
beetle
and I
leaf.
have
This is the picture of Bhuyamla, Nela Usuri.
Oh. Oh. I guess I saw this. Yeah, I saw this.
Arey, I have this.
It's in my school garden.
I have it everywhere.
Everywhere. Okay, next. This Bhuyamla, it grows wide.
Their voice is breaking. I can't hear
Breaking
you.
with the,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay,
Not
so
going to
this is Indian mint called Ajwain.
Oh.
Oh yeah, Ajwain.
Don't they hold a parliament meeting there?
Okay, so 5 to 10 milliliters of the juice is given with honey to help decrease cough, and it
Yeah.
also brings down the fever.
See, I have this plant.
I have the plant and I
Yeah,
have, like, it's in my my mom has a small garden in my backyard, and we own we have a ajwain plant.
Oh,
Okay, so this leaves okay, all many of you know merpakai bhaji, right? We call it in Telugu.
oh yes, Bajji.
Merpakai bhaji.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, with
I love
that,
it. My father also
okay,
loves it.
Indian mint, I love it. I really love it.
okay, so with that, there's a batter, right?
Yeah.
You just plug these leaves, dip it in the batter, and deep fry it. It tastes really good and it's also healthy.
Yeah, Bajji.
Yeah, I have this. I have this plant on my.
I just have it raw directly.
Bajji.
Raw is also really, but you have. Okay,
It's always
there are
better to have
some
these
there are
plants.
some dangers of eating raw leaves. We'll come to it, and it also helps. This herb also helps to protect us
Your
from
voice is breaking. I
other
can't hear
oral
you.
infection. Oral.
Oh, it,
Hello.
Yes,
yeah.
Vidya.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
Vidya.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so these leaves are crushed and applied to address pain caused due to insect bites and stings.
Ew.
If you have been
That's
stung
really
by a
disgusting.
honeybee, you can crush it and apply there.
Oh my God.
Wait, but it's
Honeybee or
always
any,
best to apply baking soda.
but this is also
This is
healthy, right?
natural, right?
Baking
This is
to
naturally.
apply
Yeah.
baking
Baking soda is
soda.
chemistry and this is Ayurvedic. So please listen to Ayurveda.
But
Chemistry
baking
and
soda,
Ayurvedic.
Really,
a
that's
higher
To
chemistry.
get out a thorn, you have to get out of thorn. You have to apply baking soda. I mean,
Fine.
baking
Now
powder.
let's not go to another topic. We'll just go.
Yeah, let's go to another
Okay,
topic.
so fresh juice of the leaves is taken along with half a teaspoon of ginger juice. Ginger juice.
Yeah. I know.
even though I like
Helps for
ginger,
indigestion, bloating, acidity, etc.
Blah blah.
And it's
What
also
about gastric?
gastric problems. And it also helps reduce headache. A paste of leaves when applied to the forehead.
Your voice is breaking. I can't hear you.
a lot, like an actual a lot.
I use this
Actually-
prank
Okay,
on
it's-
Akasha.
Arey,
Is it
yeah, I know,
breaking
I remember.
now?
The prank
Vidya,
is
Yes,
successful.
Is it breaking now?
no.
Nope.
Okay, so it is also added to salads to impart a mild oregano flavor.
Salad.
Can be used to
Oregano?
make oregano flavor.
Like
Oh, okay.
the one you get in pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We never knew that.
What about
never
green chutneys?
Yeah, it can be used to make chutneys, green gravy that goes well with rice, or can be shallowed, fried after coating the leaves with gram flour batter.
Oh,
Yeet. My eraser is gonna eat you guys.
Okay, so next I'm gonna talk about a few more plants, just talking. There's a plant called Ranapala. Its leaves are very
Ranapala.
brittle and it's called
Are you showing that,
also
Vidya?
called as bryophyllum.
Okay, biofilm, I know.
Oh,
We have
biofilm.
leaves on the edges of the.
Yeah, it
that one.
reduces from its leaves. From the
Yeah.
edges, it grows more.
Does
shoots.
anybody
Yeah.
know curry patta?
Yeah.
Yeah, curry patta.
Curry
Yeah.
ka patta.
So its leaves are very brittle and it is used to make decoctions. And there's also sarpa berry. It produces a smell an odor. It's really nice. Which
Odor?
lots of it
But if
just
it is
produces an odor.
odor, then how is it nice?
Okay, that's
Yeah,
not.
it's a nice smell, and it wards off snakes and reptiles, insects. Snakes, reptiles, and insects.
oh.
It wards them off because of that smell.
Okay.
Guys, does anybody know Venus flytrap?
Yeah, we know that.
we
It's
know
an
that.
insectivorous plant,
It's a common insectivorous plant, like Vidya
but
said.
no medicinal values in it.
Yeah.
But it
First of all,
can
you
help
don't even
people.
have it.
We have, well, I don't have it, so who cares? There's
Okay, so-
another insect plant called the pitcher or something.
Okay,
Yeah.
so for
plant.
Pitcher plant.
hello.
Yes, Vidya, we can hear you.
Okay, so some questions arise like why can't we just go and eat, pluck the leaves and eat rather than making a decoction, right?
Yeah.
Better.
Yeah, it's dangerous for us, a bit dangerous. You know why?
We have to
There
wash
are-
and all that.
No, not wash. Can digest food which has glucose. It's like there is a substance in the leaf called cellulose. We can't digest that. Only animals
Oh,
can. That's
yeah,
why
yeah.
cows, horses, and all herbivores animals they eat the grass and like that. So we can't digest it. It's called cellulose.
Yeah.
Cellulose
Digest
is
only glucose.
human.
So that is why we have to pluck the medicinal leaves, wash them and boil them in water and drink the water without the leaves.
What about Tulsi?
Yeah, tulsi we can eat it, but
Yeah,
only in small
dietary.
quantities.
Well, like ajwain, I drink it and I eat raw ajwain, but I
I
wash
eat
it
raw
with,
tulsi. I eat raw everything. I don't cook anything. Or even caffeine.
Yeah, but you should not do that. It's a bit dangerous. It has side effects afterwards.
what do you mean side effects?
And that
I've
happens
like
if you don't
ate
take
it like like a million of times and nothing happened to me.
That's what.
Well,
So this
That's why
is
you
wrong.
eat
I
it.
will prove
Don't
this
eat
is
it,
wrong.
okay?
But have you
This is
eaten
wrong.
million plants,
No, I
million
haven't.
ajwains?
Well, kind of, because when I used to get cough in India and also here, I used to eat it like a lot of times and nothing happened to me. It just cured the cough.
Okay.
So I will prove this wrong.
All right,
It's
Sri.
always better to prove stuff wrong than to accept it
prove
correct.
stuff wrong.
That's okay. All right. Anything else, Vidya?
Yeah, so one more thing. I've written a book, sir. You all know
Ooh,
that.
Another book.
So, for more information on Ayurvedic plants, please read my book. It contains a bit more about the Ayurveda. And also, there's a website called prehealing.com. It contains Ayurvedic plants in it also. About
Freehealing.com.
Ayurvedic plants. Okay, so thank you.
Good one.
Is it Arya's turn?
He went, I guess. He said he went.
That's yeah. Arya wanted to go. That's fine. So this is what we do, Sri. Every Sunday evening, 6 to 7.
Okay.
7 or 8 kids come together. We have riddles. We have book reviews, movie reviews, interesting presentations like what Vidya did, and
I thought it was an art class.
yeah, sometimes we do drawing, sometimes we do art. It's a combination of everything which interests young kids.
We put in our arts, drawing, and or whatever we want to
Put
show.
in our effort, which we do.
I
We
love
got an
drawing.
We have an author
Hello?
we have an author who has published her book at the age of what, 10?
10, sir.
Yeah.
Oh my
10,
God, young authors.
Yeah, we got an author,
Vidya.
Vidya. She's part of us. We got really good artists like Akarsha and Ashi who are pretty good at drawing. We got
I'm also
gamers.
good at drawing.
Yeah, you can actually show some of yours maybe next week. We got
Excuse me,
gamers
sir?
in Harshit and Chaitanya, and excuse me, like Vidya.
So,
Excuse.
I've given the website's name. I've given the link in the
Sure.
chat.
We'll see.
And
Wait,
please
can
go
I
through
show
it.
you
It's
the
really
Tulsi,
nice.
guys?
Sure. Sure,
Can
Vidya.
I show you guys the Tulsi?
Yeah, do you have to take the cam outside or something? How do you want to show?
Well, I can take the camera outside if you guys want to see it. It's not a big deal.
No, is it safe? I mean, I don't want your dad to call me saying that why did you ask my son
No.
to take the cam out?
No. He wants. I asked him and he said okay.
Okay, then
One
we
second, I'm
we'll-
gonna ask him again. Sometimes I want to clarify him.
yeah, go ahead. Okay, maybe that's the last thing today, guys. Let's look at the US Tulsi and then bid
So
buy.
you told you'll do ISRO.
Yeah, I wanted to, but 1 hour is already done. Maybe
Okay,
next
and what
week.
about the debate and all?
Is
Debate.
Ritwana doing something?
See, debate also we need to
Postpone it.
actually we need an entire
Sir,
hour for
my
debate.
dad said I can show you guys the plans. So.
You can't, huh?
No, I can.
Can it?
Okay, so show us.
In 1 second.
Okay. So debate takes at least 1 hour. So I
Yes,
think we
sir.
should have one day, one full day for that.
Oh,
But
no.
that should be
You
interesting
guys
because
see me?
yeah, you can see it. Are you taking the
Hello?
laptop outside?
Yeah.
Okay. Doing your house and then going out. Okay.
Hello?
Yes, Vidya.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Can anybody hear me?
Wow,
Yeah, we can hear
amazing.
you.
You guys hear me?
Sridhar, you told that you eat
Yes.
tulsi, right?
Is that a garden?
Yeah,
it is.
Vidya.
That's the
Um,
tulsi.
hello.
Oh,
That's the
wow.
tulsi. Oh wow.
I
Wow.
can see it.
You guys see it?
Yes, I can. We can.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, it's
cool.
good.
So you got a small garden outside, huh?
Yeah. My mom likes gardening, so
Oh, cool. That's nice.
this is all the plants that we have.
Wow. That's very nice.
That's the beetle leaf.
Oh, beetle leaves. Oh,
Have beetle leaves too?
beetle leaves in US. So you are in what?
Wow,
North
that's
Carolina, right?
Adjoin. These, like, there are different types of adjoin. So
Wow.
we have hibiscus over there.
Oh, wow.
Wow. There's a
There's
flower.
one called gardenia. I don't know which one it is, but oh yeah, that's the gardenia.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, can you guys see it?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can.
Yeah.
And these are all the other plants that we have.
That's
Do
nice.
you guys know what plant is this? I don't know, but that's our backyard.
Nice. You do play in your backyard.
No, I play with Santa in this backyard.
Wait, so can I show I figured out the
Wait.
end portal thingy. So can I show
I'm
it?
with Tulsi in my
Yeah.
front yard.
Good. That's nice. Yeah, Harshit, we'll have a look
Excuse
at
me, sir.
we'll have a look at your game
Hello.
next week, Harshit.
Okay.
Not now. It's 11, right? Or the
Is it okay if we do the tab review?
Hello.
We'll do it next week, not now. 1 hour is the time, right? We'll do it next week. All right. Great. Sri, thank you so much for showing your backyard and the plants.
That's
There's
beautiful.
another Tulsi over here.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Good see.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes,
Vidya.
Vidya.
Hello.
Okay, her network is.
Okay, so I thought nobody could hear me.
No, we can hear you. All right.
Unstable.
Fine, Sri. Thank you so much. I think
Okay,
we're
so,
calling it a day. We'll meet next Sunday for the EAC. And
Sir,
let's
I missed a point, sir. Just a small point.
Sure.
Okay, so Sri, you told that you eat the ajwain leaves and tulsi, right?
Million times.
Yeah, a million times. So if you eat ajwain and tulsi leaves, it's okay. But if
Yeah,
you
did
eat a
you-
kilogram of them, it
did you-
starts
Excuse me, Vidya, did your voice
Yeah.
is breaking?
Okay, that's fine. All right,
Okay, so
guys.
What are you
Let's
saying,
hear it
Vidya?
now?
Vivek, I got why the dragon egg wasn't coming.
You told that you
Bye,
ate
guys.
tulsi and ajwain a lot, right?
Yeah.
So tulsi and ajwain, they have many properties that doesn't affect. If you eat more, it's like so much, more than 1
But I don't
kilogram of
eat it
tulsi and
rarely.
ajwain, it starts showing reaction.
I didn't eat it that much times, but I only eat it rarely.
only when you have cough.
Yeah.
You
I'm
only
serious.
eat it when you have cough, right? But that time it doesn't show reaction. Only if you eat 1 kilogram at a time,
1
that
kilo.
time it shows reaction. Only tulsi and ajwain do that. But all the other leaves,
What do you mean,
even
1
if you
kilo?
eat some, they show reaction.
I only eat one.
I don't know
That's
how
it.
to say it.
All right. Okay. He eats in limited quantities. I think that should be fine with
A
you.
limited quantity. Unlimited
Yeah.
is dangerous. It starts showing reaction at
Yeah.
that time.
But
Okay.
I
And
usually eat 1 or 2. That's
one
it.
leaf. That's fine. I think that's safe as well.
Okay.
All right, guys. Let's call it a day. Thank you and Sairam. Let's meet
Sairam
next
sir, thank you.
Salam, sir.
Sunday
Sir,
6
the
p.m.
discussion about the day.
We'll do it next week. We'll publish it in the WhatsApp group. Why don't you just talk about
Or
it, Naira,
sir, we
quickly?
can keep it in 26 January and 15th August.
Okay. So what Naira was suggesting was we'll have to have 2 days in a year where you, Naira, why don't you go for it?
I was thinking we can have 2 days in a year for books day. First book day, we will dress like the characters, main characters of the book, a branded book, and tell what happened about it.
All
And
right.
in
Okay.
the second
Okay.
book review day,
Hmm.
we will again be the main character and tell, and we'll write our stories and review it.
Okay. All right.
So I'm
Perfect.
thinking
You said on August
26th
15th?
and 26th January and 15th August are the best date.
Okay,
Okay.
August 15th and 26th. I can make it because my school starts from August 17th over here. So,
All right. Okay. This happens only on Sunday, so not to worry.
okay, yeah.
That's a good idea, Naira. Let's think through. I think I'll put it in the WhatsApp as well. I think
don't know
we'll
the
discuss more
WhatsApp
on it.
group.
Don't worry about it. Maybe in the hangouts. We'll talk about it more next Sunday, guys. Sri, we'll meet
Yeah.
up next Sunday in case you find this interesting. And we like to see your drawings too. We have too many
Yeah, but
artists.
when are we gonna do the buddy session? I've been waiting for the buddy session to do my
I
homework.
know.
I need to finish 4 more questions and yeah.
Yes. Sri, you can actually do it. Do it. I mean, we can meet up tomorrow evening, Monday evening as well, before the same time, 8:30. But by that time, you can actually finish it off. In case you have any questions, you can ping Suman sir directly as well.
Yeah, I'll ask him in the class itself, I guess.
No, let's finish off before the class begins tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Oh, okay. So
We have that time.
you guys should start at 8.
8 p.m. IST. So, which is what, 6 p.m. Which is,
So can I leave now?
yeah, all of us are leaving now. Fine. Guys, let's
Bye.
meet up next Sunday
Bye.
again. Bye-bye.
Sir,
Bye-bye.
sir,
Saram,
can
thank you,
we,
sir.
excuse me, sir?
Yeah.
Can me, Chetu and I, Harshwana, stay for a while? I want to tell them something.
Okay, fine.
As
Yes, Saram,
last
thank you,
time.
sir.
Thank you, Vidya, Saram.
Sarah,
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, Sri.
Bye.
I just wanted to tell you guys that I have a surprise being ready for you.
Whoa.
Oh.
Hey, what is
Hey,
that?
that's
It's in my
cheating.
room.
Dad is not there.
I can't
Dad,
tell. It can't be a surprise other than.
Dad should be not
Wait.
be there. Only me and Harshit.
It will be a very nice surprise.
Okay.
Okay,
Harshit,
please, Harshit, send me your school symbol. Okay?
Sorry, what? School.
School symbol.
school
And
symbol.
Aradhya's too.
Icon of the school. All right. Okay, we can do it.
Okay,
We'll
I'm
send it.
just gonna do that. Wait.
You want it right now or later?
I can tell you when you will be here.
Wait, I'm just gonna send it to you.
But how will you send it?
In the chat.
I'll draw those symbols and you can sleep under them.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, Saram.
Bye, Saram.
Bye.
Bye, Harshit. Bye.
Wait, just a minute.
Wait. Oh.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. We both only are there. Huh?
Wait.
Are you still a noob, bro? Don't even know.
Wait, no, like the thing is glitched out, man. See, in my main world, it works.
Really, bro, I tried it, but it still didn't come.
You forgot to get the thingies. That's why. My mother got so mad at him. सच्ची में बोल रहा हूँ काली माता के जैसी है मेरी माँ थी।
My mother is more than Kali Mata. I don't know, more than Kali.
समझ
Hey,
yeah.
stop, Reo.
Oh,
What
Vivek!
bots?
समझ वरगमना
Hey, Che, what bots are that? Che, are you crazy? Not sing those
Yeah.
songs. My mother, those movies I only don't see, and you are seeing those. Chi.
Bro, make us the host.
No.
Yes.
अबे देखिए and see this man. I'm gonna make a not a makeshift end portal, an actual end portal.
Bro, I'm also in my server.
Yeah.
And
The better of work.
you know what? I got Beast Boy Shoop's World because I have this seed.
Take. No. Oh.
This is crazy actually. How is
See?
this happening?
End portal frame.
I got the frame and the eye.
और वो क्या बोलते हैं? I have
Ender eye of ender. 3x3 shape, bro.
देखिए. Already
My
messed
door is
up.
closed now. Thank God it's closed. My villagers will run out. Like run.
Actually, I think I got what I got.
You have to do it 3x3 and there should be no
Okay.
disturbance inside. Oi, are you doing 4x3?
That is 3x3 or 4x4?
Is that 3x3 or 4x4? Oh, let me
Ah,
also check.
3x3. 3x3.
Hey, show me all the
चल
sides.
रहा है.
3x3 only, na?
You have to stand in the middle and do.
Why?
अरे हद हो गई.
Hey, but when you create that frame only, means like the portal, you'll directly
I
jump
am
in.
gonna be so mad. मेरे माँ बाप का देख बोला था ना
Oh, wait, man.
वही एंड है. क्या?
Wait, this is not happening to
मेरा ही
me.
एंड है यार. हद हो गई.
Yeah, it's not coming for me. Wait, just a minute. I'll craft it.
Save and quit to title.
Archit, please give me.
Did you get the things on time? I got them.
How to use the Elytra, man?
Arre nothing yaar. You just jump from a high place wearing the elytra and you have to press shift while you know.
But I don't want it now. I want the frame and the eye.
अरे तो ये ज्यादा कर रहा है यार. अरे ये क्या? देख यार मेरे माँ ना నీకు వడియాలు చూడు అప్పుడప్పుడు ఈ कुछ मिर्ची होते हैं ना.
हाँ.
कुछ मिर्ची मेरे माँ ने सूखने के लिए मेरे माँ ने रखा था. जब वो कुछ शॉपिंग से आए मेरी माँ ने बोली अरे जाकर बोला वरना बारिश हो जाएगा और ये बोलो ओ कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. और फिर वो like half of those thingies got wet.
Oh.
I saved them. जब मैं साइकिलिंग कर रहा था सारे दोस्त को छोड़कर मैं उन तीनों को वो चीजों को लाया. अरे मेरे लिए थैंक यू भी नहीं बोलता.
Why I should tell?
Because I saved you. Had you not brought them na, she would have killed you.
Yeah, just a minute. Oh man, what is this? This is really not nice. It's not coming only. This
game is really annoying. It's annoying.
And you know the new update in Skyblock?
Roblox only is better than this.
Actually, no,
Yeah, and,
Roblox Skyblock has a new update, bro, and I'm a pro in that.
Firehawks, huh?
No. Aquamarine.
Hey, wait, go to Roblox.
Wait, I'll share my screen and show you, man. thing is so awesome now. I got the sword, but I donated it to my friend, bro, because he's such a nice friend.
Hey, do you know how to use Eyes of Ender?
He's a
Hey.
vendor.
Come कर रहा है ना, come कर रहा है.
Hey, bro, I'm sharing my screen, man. This will stop others getting okay. And
Bed क्या है?
can you see my screen, bro?
हाँ, yeah.
Okay, so
अरे
this
मैं
is
तेरा VIP server join करूँगा यार. I don't know, मैं join कर लूँगा.
this is my VIP server, and I'm on Skyblock. Huh?
Bro, I'm waiting your VIP. I'm joining your VIP server. Okay, don't mind.
Yeah, and
I'm gonna
in
mine all your stuff. We're gonna go to the Buffalo Island and kill all the slimes. Like,
you know, actually,
Oh, this loading is damn good.
you know what? You don't need. Hey, see my farm, bro. My.
Arshit is a girl.
Hey, see my farm.
oh yeah. Oh,
See
yeah.
my farm, man. Bro, can you see
अरे
my
मैं
farm?
हमारे अरे तुझे हमारे notes ना कितने ज्यादा देते हैं, पर I've completed them.
Leave about notes and see this loading.
No, but see.
Bamboo.
Arey, bro, see the screen, bro. See my screen. Are you seeing my
Wait.
screen?
I should have joined your server. क्या
Hey,
यार?
see this,
what
bro.
have I-
See this.
Castle is nice.
Oh,
yeah,
see
bro.
this.
Oh, yeah, bro. Your castle is the best castle I ever seen.
Oh,
Okay, bro. Where's the aquamarine, bro? I need
Please,
to
bro.
go there.
See the zoom screen. See the zoom screen.
There's a fish on land. Wait, what?
What in the world?
What?
What in the world?
What happened?
You know that fishing place?
Yeah. Yeah, that's
It
a
is
sea.
going further.
Yeah. I know that. That's a new update. You can get the prismarine crystals. Oh, you'll be shocked, bro. See this. See this. Are you seeing the zoom screen?
Yeah.
We already know that.
Yeah.
यहाँ पर कोई नया अरे OMG. You're so OP, bro.
Yeah. And you know the new sword means like just see my screen, bro. I'll show you something new came in the anvil.
Bro. Now you have this glided steel hammer. Now give us your war axe.
Actually, I thought of giving you, but
Okay,
someone
bro.
was why? What?
I'm seeing you.
Okay, now see.
How did you get the glided steel hammer?
It's like I worked so hard and I got the crystal and I managed for the gold.
Is the crystal hard to find?
Yeah, that's too hard, bro. And see this, bro. This anvil.
Give us the glided steel hammer.
No, see this aquamarine sword. I have this sword and this is really waste. I thought this would be OP, but really it's waste.
Use your aquamarine sword.
Actually, I gave it to my friend.
Give us it.
Gave it, bro. And that too, I'm not allowing my friend to give it to anyone because I'm making one more for my best friend. See my farm, bro. It's my OP farm. Tomato, beet, carrot.
Tomato.
Too much tomato. And you know, see my chest, bro. You will just be shocked by seeing my chest. And you know, just guess what will be inside my chest.
Nice.
I have food, bro. In the first chest, I have food. Are you seeing?
I'm not seeing.
See, bro.
Wow.
See, so this is just beginning, bro. See this one, all tomato.
Running in my own VIP server.
Yeah, I'll try to join your VIP server. Actually.
Wait, who? Joining normal server.
What? Are you my friend or not?
I am.
why are you playing Skyblock?
Yes, I am.
Why isn't it not showing your name tag? You are not my friend, cheater cock. Accept my friend request.
Bro, I don't know. I'm not your friend. Bro,
Yeah.
give me the aquamarine thing. Sword.
SWOT is really bad, bro. I never expected it to be so bad.
Wait, what? Why? It's bad, ah.
It's really bad, really so bad that I don't even want to say how bad it is.
Do you right click them? Do you have them? Do you
Let me
delete
check
them?
my friends. I can't even see your name tag if you're playing.
Bro,
Yeah.
bro,
Yeah.
give me the war axe.
War axe. I gave it to another fellow. You are not my friend. I don't know.
Okay, fine.
You
Not your
go
friend anymore.
go out of the thingy and accept my request, and then I can join your server.
Hello?
Yeah.
Speak a little loud. I'm not able to hear you.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, this guy has the aquamarine sword.
Arey bro, get out
Get
of the
the
server.
aquamarine crystals.
It's easy to get. You just have to go inside that pond, and you'll get see many ores thingy, and you just have to mine that. You'll get some shards. With that shard, you can make that sword, but you need 2 pearls. No, accept my request, bro.
Bro, I'm not getting your request.
Go to. Yeah, I sent you the request, and you just have to go to friends in the left hand side and go to
Bro, I'm
request.
playing, bro.
Bro, get out of that.
Seagrass. I don't want seagrass. Pink coral. I don't want pink coral.
Why don't you listen to me? That's why I don't give you anything.
Oh, these are aquamarine crystals.
That's why I give
These
every.
are hard to mine.
Those are very hard, and that's why I don't give you anything because you are not worthy of it. My 2 friends.
200. This is almost going to be This is going to be borderline impossible. Okay, what kind of new things can we make?
We can make the sword, and we can make the aquamarine blocks, aquamarine stairs, more aquamarine things. And star fruit also came.
We can make a.
No, we will get star fruit in the Buffalo Island.
నాకు తెలియదు.
Harshit, Harshit, are you there? Harshit, Harshit, are you there?
खुशी से गेम खेल रहा है.
Harshit,
Responsible है. I did not know. But you know that the mother is, oily, sad. Oily. What is oily? How do you get oily? I don't want seagrass. That's not flower.
Harshit, are you there?
अरे इसको बंद करने को बोल यार. मेरी माँ ना, she is like totally actually crying.
Ayo, are you caring about the game or your mother?
No, सच्ची में बहुत ही रो रही है यार. इప్పుడే కట్టే ఈ క్షణం.
Hey, why don't you just tell sorry? She's crying because of you or someone.
Bro,
Yeah.
how did you make the sofa?
Oh, no, someone gave me this. My jailbreak rider friend. He's a very good man. He lives in Raipur. He said me that he lives in Raipur. And he made this sofa for me. He's very rich. Why? That's why I'm telling you to join my server, but you don't listen to anyone only. I can't control you. Well, I don't know how to give you sofa. My friend can give you. He's a very generous person. But you have to join my server if you want the sofa experience. Arey yaar, why don't you accept my request? Why are you doing so much drama for one request?
The meeting, this is Chaitanya screen.
Zoom meeting. Manjit.
He only told.
Manjit. Manjit. Alt F.
Bye, bro.
Bye.